Teacher, why did you say that on Teams any.com thing?
I will tell you everything now.
Teacher,
Okay.
I can now open my cam.
All right. Now, students, tell me which program did we use in the first term?
MS Paint. Notepad.
In the first term, we used MS Paint. Very good. No, not the notepad. MS Paint. Then, in
Notepad. Notepad.
okay, but in the starting of the second term, which program did we use?
MS Paint. Notepad.
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 Starting of the second term, we used Notepad.
Notepad.
Now you know the Paint program. You know how to use the Paint program. Everything about the Paint program. Then you know everything about the Notepad, right?
Yes.
Now, from today, we are going to start a new program that is KidPix Deluxe 4. The name of this program.
What can we do in that? What can we do in that, teacher?
Let me finish talking first.
Teacher, what can we do today? Teacher, Allah Kashif knows tactics.
I will count till 3.
I know
If you all will not keep quiet, I will mute you all. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Now stay muted. Okay? Do not unmute your mic. Okay? If you have any questions, you can raise your hand. Listen carefully what I am saying. Don't start questioning what we will do, how we will do, where we will do. I am going to tell everything. Okay? But you will only understand it if you will keep quiet and listen to me. Okay? Now the program KidPix Deluxe program. This is a very it's a very good program and you will enjoy working on it a lot because you can write, you can draw, you can insert different pictures in it, you can make beautiful backgrounds in it, you have different kind of stickers, you have different shapes, you have different animations. There are very many different things in KidPix that can be done. For example, MS Paint.
where we do? Teacher, where we do?
I am telling you. I am telling everything. Please listen. Okay?
Excuse me, teacher, can you listen me?
Just raise your hand and wait. I will take all your questions. I will ask everyone.
That is very fun. Like we can work in laptop. Yeah, it's very cool. Like you tell me that is fun. But I like to draw in it. But it's fun.
Okay. Now please stay on mute. Please, I told you, raise your hands. I will call your names. You can speak. But don't interrupt in the middle. Please do not interrupt in the middle. Whatever it is, just raise your hand and wait. Okay? Now this program, KidPix, this program is not in your computers or your laptops or anywhere. You don't have it. I will send you the link to download this program. Okay? So don't worry, teacher, where is it? How to get it? Don't worry. I'm going to send the link. I have actually already sent it. The link is already there on MS Teams. The link is already there on MS Teams and in your OneNote. It is already shared in the diary and on MS Teams. When you will click on that link, it will give you the instructions. It will tell you everything about how to download your KidPix.
Did you not download?
Did I ask you to download? Did I say that start downloading?
No.
What is wrong? What is wrong, my dear? What is wrong with you all? How many times do I have to repeat the same thing? The teacher is telling you what to do. You don't have to jump on the next question. Please relax, okay? Because this is something very new for you. If you will not listen to me carefully, you will not understand. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Now you can download your program after the class, not now. No one is going to download KidPix right now. You have to do it
How
after
to?
your class. Okay? After your class.
How to download it, teacher?
I will send the link. I have sent the link on your diary. Okay, it is in your diary and also on your MS Teams. Okay, you will just click and it will start. It will show you how to download. It will show you all the steps how to download your um, program. I will show you where I have shared it. You see, when you go in your ICT section on MS Teams, when you will go to your ICT section on MS Teams, you will find this link there.
Yes, I know. I know,
This one.
teacher.
Don't start doing anything right now. Please don't start doing anything right now. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now we will see some things about KidPix. Okay, some of the things regarding KidPix. Okay. Okay. The KidPix, in KidPix we have two main parts. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you tell again how to download?
You have to go to your MS Teams. This is the link. You will click on this and it will tell you all the steps how to download it. Okay?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes. And I just love this game. Okay, 1 5 inside it.
Okay. Yes, Shanze.
Teacher,
Yes. Yes, Shanze.
I forgot to lower my down hand.
Okay. Yes, Shazil.
Which page number?
Page number 16.
Okay, let me lower my hand.
No, not 16. Sorry. 15. 15. Okay. Then,
Wait,
Mariam.
50 50. Teacher, I don't know how we will do like I can do in homework or I can do this like you just share that how to download, but I like to excited to draw, and we can draw anything we can do.
Yes, inshallah. But not now. We will start drawing after 2 weeks. So, inshallah.
Is
Not now. Okay. So, right now, just make sure that you download it.
teacher, hold on 1 second, please. Oh, which one? 1 5 or 50?
Shazil, just check in your booklet. Do you have 50? Do you have page number 50 in your booklet? There is no page number 50. It is 15, 1 5. Okay. Yes, Hamza. Yes, Hamza, you're raising your hand.
Ahmad. I just love this game. Okay, but first I want to see what's inside it. Okay. Once I see what's inside it, I'll enjoy it very much. You can play it every day.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, Hadi. Hadi. Hadi, do you have any question? You raise your hand.
After the class.
Teacher, I'm downloading.
Teacher, downloading.
No one is downloading right now, please. No one is downloading it. Please just look at my screen. No downloading right now. You can do it after the class.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, if anyone has any question, they can just raise their hand. Okay. All right. Now, see, in our kit picks, we have two parts. Kit picks has two main parts. What are they? The first part, it lets you paint, it lets you draw, color, and everything related to coloring and painting and drawing. All the artwork you can do. This is one part of the kit picks. Okay. Then we have another part that is regarding the slideshow and everything. Now this slideshow, leave the second part. We will be talking about this part today. We will look at these things, that how you can use the paint zone of the kit picks. You don't have the kit picks in your computers. You don't have to open it. You just have to look at my screen. Okay. All right. So now let's see what do we have in the paint zone of our kit picks. This is the paint zone of your kit picks. This is how it looks. This is how the paint zone of the kit picks looks like. There you have all these options. You can add the text, you can draw, you can paint, you can fill the background with any color you want. You
Teacher,
can.
is this also an iPad?
I'm not sure about the iPad. I will have to check about it. I'm not very sure about the iPad. Just try to click on the link and see if it downloads in the iPad as well. Okay. Then we have different kinds of stamps that we can use, different stickers, mixer, where you can mix different colors to make a new color, background. There are some beautiful backgrounds that you can add, like the nature background and so many different backgrounds you can add. Then there are animations. Animations means there are different characters. You
Teacher,
can add a boy, a girl, an animal, or anything. There are many different animations in
where you
kit,
found it?
in kit picks. Then these are the sounds. You can add different
We had to
sounds to your.
download for it. We had to download for it.
I
We
think
had
I
to
already told. I think I already told you that you have to download it after the class, right?
Yeah, I didn't download Onion Tally. We had to download it to get this.
Of course, to get, when you will
Download.
click when you will click on the link, when you will click on the link, it will download this program. Okay.
Yeah, I was telling you that. Click on it. So
Then you can also add the sounds along with your drawing. Like in
yes,
paint,
you show me the
paint,
blue button. I saw the blue button. That means we had to download this, but not yet. When the whole this class finished, then I'll
Sharmil.
download.
Yes, yes. Now please now mute. Okay, now mute your mic. Okay, please. If you have any question, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Don't unmute your mic. If you're going to unmute your mic without raising your hand, I'm going to hard mute you. And if you do it the next time, I will send you out of the meeting. Anyone who is unmuting the mic and speaking up without raising their hands, they will be sent out of the meeting. Clear? Come on, you are such good students. What is wrong? Why today there is so much of disturbance in the class? The same things you are repeating again and again. I've told you don't have to do anything. You just have to look at my screen.
Teacher,
Wait, listen to teacher, please.
teacher, teacher.
Yes, yes.
Oh, I see. What is this? The next up one. It's like a kind of like a question mark thing, and it's like a blue question mark thing. The up one.
Yes, it's the help. If you want any help, if you need any help, this one, right?
Yeah.
This is the help button. If you need any help in your program, if you're stuck somewhere, if you don't know how to do something, you can click on this question mark. Okay?
Okay.
But teacher, what is this one? This is like a kind of like a light have on like a this thing.
This
Not the
one,
question mark. That one.
Next two question mark.
Next to
this one.
question mark.
Yes, I'm showing you now. Just wait. I'm opening KitPix and I'll show you now.
Okay.
Now,
I'm
when
gonna
you will,
see.
when you are done installing KitPix after the class, when you are done installing KitPix in your computers, in your laptops, then what you will do, you will see this screen. Click, write your name and click on go. Write your name and click on go. Okay. When you will click on go, you will see this. You will see this screen. Not this one actually, because I have already done the work, so you will not see this. You will see this plain screen. Okay.
Okay.
You will see this plain
Plain
screen.
screen.
Yes. Just a minute.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay. So you will see this screen. Now let's see. We will see all the options that what we can do with each option. Now this one, it is the idea machine. You are about to open an idea machine picture. Do you want to save your current picture? No, I don't want to save. So the idea machine picture, you can open the idea machine picture. Okay, there are some pictures already saved. There are some pictures already saved, and you can just open them from here. If you click on the idea machine, it will let you open these pictures where you
Okay,
can do the
teacher.
cutting and all. Okay.
Wait. Teacher, is Edgar the last one? Is there like a kind of down one? The super
Yes.
down.
Yes,
The
my
super
dear
down.
Hadi, I am telling you one by one. I'll tell all the options.
This is
Okay.
like a
Listen to teacher.
This is help.
TNT.
Okay.
And
This
this
is
is
help.
teacher.
Okay. If you will click on this, you will get the help. If you need any help regarding anything, this is going to help you. Okay. You have to click on the help button, and then you can click on any part of the screen where you need help. For example, I will click on the help button, and now I need help with, for example, this ABC, the text tool. So you will get this information that you can use this to get words on your page. Okay. You can also click on the movie.
Teacher.
Yes. Can you hear?
Yeah, what happened in your voice? We didn't hear you last time.
Can you hear the computer or no?
I know.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So this is just the help is like if you don't know any of the option that what will happen if I click on this, you can just click on help. Okay, click 1 minute. Just click on help. Okay, and then you can click on any of the button. It will tell you what you can do with that button. Okay, if you will click on this, you can add animation to your pictures. Now let's see how can we add the text. So this is how you can add the text, right? You will click on this, click here and add any text.
Teacher.
Yes.
Uh, mm,
Then you can select your text. You can change it. You can change the styles of your text. See, it is changing. You can make it any style you want.
What are you doing?
I am showing you how to use KitPix.
Okay.
Okay, you can make it bold. You can change the color from here. See, I made it red. Or you can also select it and then you can change the color again, or you can change the size of it. You can change the style of it. Whatever you want to do with the text, that you can do with which button? The text button here. This one, the text tool. Okay, this is the text tool. This lets you add the text in your draw on your in your KitPix. Okay. All right, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next one that we are going to see is how to add the background. How to add the background. Look here, look at this picture. By clicking on this picture, you can add the background to your to your KitPix, to the slide of your KitPix. Click on the background, and from here you can choose different backgrounds. These are the action scenes. Just click on it, drag it, and put it here. Okay. Now there are so many different ones. This one, this one, this one. Then you have this one. So many are there. Even if you change from here, color me, then the culture, dot to
Teacher,
dot.
can we leave the meeting?
Why? Why will you leave the meeting? I think I'm teaching here, isn't it? See, you can add anything from here, any background that you like. You can add it. Now this is how you add the background. Okay, how did you add the background? By clicking on this button. To add the text, you will click on this ABC. This is the text tool. This is how you will add the background. And then this is if you want to add the animations. Animations means any kind of characters. Okay. Please mute your mics. Please mute your mics. Okay. Then you can add this any characters that you want to add when we are going to make something. You can just add from here. Okay. Is it clear from where do we add the text? From this text tool, ABC. From where do we get the background? From here. From where do we get the animations, characters, or different pictures? From the animation. Okay. All right. Now, I will show you how to save. You have to click on the file, click on save as, click, and then you can save your work. And to close your program, click on file, click on exit. You are about to quit KitPix. Do you want to? I don't want to save my work, so I will click on no. Okay. Now students, listen. I know this is something new for you and you must be thinking that this is so difficult. How will I do it? I don't know how to do it. No problem. It's okay. This is something new for you and it will take time and you will understand it, inshallah. Okay. You will just click on file and exit. Okay. You will learn it slowly. You have to click on the file and then you have to click on exit. Okay.
Then first try, then exit.
Okay.
So for today, this is it. Now what you have to do, listen very carefully what you have to do. There is no homework. You don't have to do any homework. You don't have to upload anything on OneNote. You don't have to upload anything. Just you have to download KitPix. You can download it from MS Teams or from the diary in OneNote.
Can we download it now? Teacher, what's the biggest? What your
You will download your KitPix after I finish the meeting. After I end the meeting, you can start downloading. Okay? If you are not able to download it, if you are facing any problem, you can message me on WhatsApp and I will help you. Okay?
Okay, teacher, what did KitPix mean?
KitPix is the name of the program. Okay. Yes, Chaudhry Hadi. Yes, you are raising your hand.
Teacher.
Yes.
So, teacher, I found something down by the one is called PUNDO. It's like a kind of like a white face and with kind of colors on it.
Which one?
Beta, why you have started working on KitPix? You don't have to start working on KitPix right now, okay?
Then tell teacher I am just checking from the picture. I did not started using.
Teacher, I'm choosing
This
in
is
the picture.
Okay. You are what you are checking on the picture. The buttons that I explained you today.
Blue color.
See,
Undo
Hadi,
Kai.
Hadi,
Undo
we
Kai.
will see.
What teacher?
Hadi, see, we will learn all the buttons about all the buttons slowly. Okay. So for today, whatever I have taught you, just focus on that. The other buttons that I did not talk about today, we will learn about them in the next lesson.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Because
teacher.
if I will start teaching everything together, then it will be confusing for you, for others, and for you as well. Okay, you'll forget it. So right now, whatever I have taught you,
Use this thing.
try to download your KitPix, and once you have downloaded it, then try to work with the buttons that I taught you. That how to enter the text, how to enter the background, and how to enter the animation. Okay, then save your file and close your program. Just try to do that. You don't have to upload anything. Okay, there is no homework. You just have to practice. That's it. Yes, Shazil.
Okay.
Anyone else has any question? Please raise your hand.
No questions.
Sorry, teacher, I forgot to close it. I didn't saw.
Okay, no problem. I didn't see.
Me too.
Okay, you don't say that I didn't saw. You say that teacher, I didn't see. Okay, all right. Okay, so all right, everything is clear. And if you have any problems, any questions related to how we have to download KitPix, you can always WhatsApp me. And whoever this is, teacher, please raise your hand. Yes, Mohammed Hassan.
Teacher, how do we enter a KitPix?
Did you download it?
Yes.
Open the program. You can open the program, just write your name and enter it. That's it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to end the class now. Okay, and you all can start downloading. If you have any problems, you can WhatsApp me and I will reply you as soon as I can. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah, teacher.
Allah Hafiz, everyone.
I have a problem,
teacher.
Allah Hafiz.
Okay, I'll call my friends. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. अल्लाह हाफिज।